something that most companies will put in place is some sort of employee handbook or some sort of employee manual. And the reason that becomes really important is because that handbook will have policies put in place for that company that they consider the standard of you working there. So for example, maybe a dress code. Sometimes it's how much notice you will give if you want to leave a company. Again, remember that Florida is an at-will employment state. You don't have to work anywhere and you don't have to be employed anywhere. An owner doesn't have to keep you. A business owner doesn't have to keep you. But it's nice to have policies in place that helps with the systematic running of that business. Notice periods, dress codes, conduct. They might have conduct. Those things can be put in a policy or a manual. So as a business owner, you may want to look into having some sort of not only a legal agreement, legal document that they're signing as an employment agreement or employment contract, but you may also want to look into having a policies and procedures, a manual that your employees are going to follow. So when you do get that call into the office about something that you're doing, it's so much better and easier to point to a certain provision in the handbook and say, that's against our policy. You may want to tone that down, or not wear spandex to work, or, whatever the case may be, because that's against our policy.
The content on Minding Your Business is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be construed as specific legal advice. This show discusses general legal issues affecting business owners. Opinions of the guests are not necessarily that of the show. If you need assistance with your specific legal issue, please consult with a licensed attorney.